TikTok shop haul. Okay, this is all what I got from TikTok shop. Okay, let's open it together and let me show you guys. Okay, first is this. I went shopping from TikTok shop. Let's see what we have. Foot five. Oh, no one drop. First one is foot five. Uh, I'm just going to open it. I have a knife here. Ooh. It comes in with these three. This one is for filing, wherever. This is a foot five. Oh, okay. Let's go for this. Ah, spray bottle. You can see. Oh, the light is so. Spray bottle. Spray bottle. TikTok shop haul. Oh, my lint remover. Yay! This lint remover. Yeah, I love this. I can't wait to use it. From TikTok shop, lint remover. Okay. What is this? What do we have here? Oh, something fair. Oh, okay. I bought this hat. This is. I bought three of them. Let's see. Okay, open it. Hold on. I can't even open it. Okay. I don't want to read the bag. Okay, this is a special hat. It has a satin lining inside to protect your hair. Let's try it on. Okay, I think the wig is too big for it. I don't know. Okay, I don't. Look at it has this satin inside. Oh, it's white. It's like a golden color or like orange color, and this is black. Then gray. I just give one to every one of us. One for me, one for Alessia, one for Abigail, one for my husband. Yeah, 4 feet. Look at inside. It has this satin. Then what's inside here? Oh, jewelry, like necklace. This necklace. I bought it for my girls. Like it has a letter initials. Okay, this is it. Oh, this is D. Okay, start with my initials. This is D. I think this one is A. I thought I bought three. Oh, I don't know. It has D on it. That's my initials. Then there's, I think this one is A, letter A. Let's see, what letter is this? I thought I bought three. Oh, okay, this is A, letter A and D. Oh, this A. Okay, then let's see the last one. Oh, okay. I can't remember what is this. I don't know what is this. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. This one is a face pad for your face. Like, let me see. Okay, I have to open it. It's a facial radiant pad with glycolic lactic acid. You will use it to clean your face. It's a face cleaner. Okay, this is all what I got from TikTok shop. Okay, hope you guys like it, and I'll be leaving the link in the comment section if you want to get yourself some of these items. The link will be in the comment section, like under the comment. Okay, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and follow. Ooh, I like my hats. Let me open this one. This hat. You see, they all have a certain. Okay, you know what? Let me take. And this week also, I bought this week from TikTok shop. Okay, this week is so nice. All right. Okay. Oh, this is nice. It's nice. This is nice. I love it. Like it will protect your natural hair. I like the fact that they have this satin to protect your natural hair. Oh, this is nice. I love this hat. This is nice. This is nice. Like if I want to take my daughter to the bus stop, I'll just put on my hat and I'm good to go. Bye, guys. Make sure to click on the orange card and get yours. Bye. Guys, one more thing. I forgot to show you guys this one too. Yeah, this is so cozy. Look at it, guys. This is amazing. All from TikTok shop. Let's put it on. Whoa. I think I put the wrong leg, whatever. I don't know if it's the right or left. Okay, I'm wearing left, right to left, left to right. Okay, this is right leg, and this is left. Okay, let it go. Oh wow, this shit is so pretty, nice and comfy. Makes you stay warm. Click on the cart, the orange card down there, and get yours. TikTok shop is so cozy. Let me. Ooh, they have different colors, okay? You can choose from any colors that you want. Comes with different colors. And my hair is from TikTok shop also.